In today's fast-paced digital landscape, software development teams are under constant pressure to deliver high-quality software at lightning speed. The demand for rapid innovation and the need to stay ahead of competitors means that traditional methods of software development are no longer sufficient. Gone are the days of lengthy development cycles and infrequent releases. In the past, software development was often a slow and cumbersome process, with teams spending months or even years working on a single release. To stay competitive, organizations need a streamlined and automated approach to software delivery. This means adopting new methodologies and tools that can help accelerate the development process while maintaining high standards of quality. This is where CI/CD comes in. CI/CD stands for Continuous Integration and Continuous Delivery, or Continuous Deployment. It is a set of practices that enable development teams to build, test, and deploy software changes more frequently and reliably. CI/CD, short for Continuous Integration and Continuous Delivery, or Continuous Deployment, is a set of practices that enable development teams to build, test, and deploy software changes more frequently and reliably. By integrating code changes regularly and automating the testing and deployment processes, teams can catch issues early and ensure that their software is always in a releasable state. CI/CD is a cornerstone of modern software development, revolutionizing how teams work and deliver value to users. It allows for faster feedback loops, enabling developers to respond to user needs and market changes more quickly. Imagine a world where code changes are automatically integrated, tested, and deployed to production with minimal human intervention. This not only speeds up the development process but also reduces the risk of human error, leading to more stable and reliable software. This is the power of CI/CD, allowing teams to release software updates more frequently, with lower risk and increased confidence. Frequent releases mean that users can benefit from new features and improvements sooner, and any issues that arise can be addressed more quickly. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting, understanding CI/CD is essential for anyone involved in the software development lifecycle. It is a critical skill that can help you build better software, faster. By automating the software delivery process, CI/CD helps teams to detect and fix errors early in the development cycle, reduce the risk of integration problems, and deliver new features to users more quickly. This proactive approach to error detection and resolution is key to maintaining high-quality software. This essay will delve into the world of CI/CD, exploring its core concepts, benefits, and practical implementation. We will look at how CI/CD can transform your development process, making it more efficient, reliable, and responsive to user needs. To fully grasp the power of CI/CD, it's crucial to understand the distinct roles of continuous integration, CI, and continuous delivery, CD. While they are often mentioned together, each component serves a specific purpose in the automation pipeline, making the process more efficient. Continuous integration focuses on the first stage of the software development process, integrating code changes from multiple developers into a shared repository. In a CI workflow, developers merge their code changes frequently, often multiple times a day, to ensure consistency. Each code commit triggers an automated build and test process, ensuring that the new changes don't introduce errors or break existing functionality. Continuous delivery takes over where CI ends, automating the release and deployment of software to various environments. Once code changes have passed the CI stage, CD ensures that the software is always in a releasable state, ready for deployment. This means that the software can be deployed to production or any other environment at any time, with a single click or automated trigger. CD encompasses various stages, including automated testing, infrastructure provisioning, and deployment to different environments like staging and production. CI and CD work in tandem to streamline and automate the entire software delivery process, from code integration to deployment, ensuring efficiency. The CI/CD pipeline is a visual representation of the automated process that code changes go through from development to deployment. It is a crucial part of modern software development, ensuring that code is consistently integrated, tested, and delivered in a reliable and efficient manner. It's like a factory assembly line where each stage performs specific tasks to transform raw materials, the code, into a finished product, deployable software. Just as in a factory, each step in the CI/CD pipeline is designed to ensure quality and efficiency, minimizing errors and maximizing productivity. Let's break down the typical stages of a CI/CD pipeline. Each stage plays a vital role in the overall process, contributing to the seamless transition from code development to deployment. 1. Code commit. Developers write code and commit their changes to a version control system like Git. This is the first step in the pipeline, where the initial code changes are recorded and tracked. This repository acts as the single source of truth for the code base. It ensures that all developers are working with the same code, preventing conflicts and maintaining consistency. 2. Build upon each commit. The CI/CD system triggers a build process. This is where the code is compiled, dependencies are resolved, and the application is prepared for testing. This involves compiling the code, running static code analysis, and packaging the application into an executable format. The build process is essential for catching syntax errors and ensuring that the code is ready for the next stages. 3. Unit tests. Automated unit tests are executed to verify the functionality of individual code modules. These tests are designed to ensure that each part of the code works as intended. These tests are designed to catch errors early in the development cycle. By identifying issues at this stage, developers can address them before they become more significant problems. 4. Integration tests. After unit tests, integration tests verify that different components of the application work together as expected. This stage ensures that the various parts of the application interact correctly. This ensures that the integrated codebase functions correctly. Integration tests help identify issues that may arise when different modules are combined. 5. Acceptance tests. Acceptance tests validate the software against user requirements and business acceptance criteria. These tests are crucial for ensuring that the software meets the needs of its users. These tests ensure that the application meets the intended functionality. By validating the software against real-world scenarios, acceptance tests help guarantee that the final product will be useful and effective. 6. Deployment to staging. Once the code passes all tests, it's automatically deployed to a staging environment that mirrors the production environment. This stage allows for thorough testing in an environment that closely resembles the final production setup. This allows for final testing and validation before release. Any issues identified in the staging environment can be addressed before the software is made available to end users. 7. Deployment to production. After successful staging deployment, the software is deployed to the production environment, making it available to end users. This is the final step in the CI/CD pipeline, where the software is released to the public. This step can be automated or triggered manually depending on the organization's policies. Automation ensures a consistent and reliable deployment process, while manual triggers allow for additional oversight and control. CI/CD offers a wide range of benefits for software development teams, businesses, and end users. It revolutionizes the way software is developed, tested, and deployed, making the entire process more efficient and reliable. By automating the software delivery process, CI/CD addresses many challenges associated with traditional software development methods. These challenges often include long development cycles, delayed releases, and a higher likelihood of errors due to manual processes. Let's explore some of the key benefits in more detail. Faster time to market. CI/CD enables teams to release software updates more frequently and with shorter lead times. This means that new features, improvements, and bug fixes can be delivered to users much faster than before. This allows businesses to respond to market demands and customer feedback more quickly, gaining a competitive edge. In today's fast-paced market, being able to adapt swiftly to changes is crucial for success. Improved software quality. Automated testing throughout the CI/CD pipeline helps identify and fix bugs early in the development cycle. This continuous testing ensures that issues are caught and resolved before they can affect the end users, resulting in higher quality software with fewer defects. High-quality software not only enhances user experience, but also reduces the cost and effort associated with post-release maintenance. Reduced risk. By automating the release process, CI/CD minimizes the risk of human error during deployment. Manual deployments are prone to mistakes, which can lead to significant issues in production environments. This leads to more reliable and predictable software releases. Predictability in releases builds trust with users and stakeholders, as they can rely on the software to perform as expected. Increased collaboration. CI/CD promotes collaboration among developers by providing a shared platform for code integration and testing. This shared environment encourages teamwork and communication, which are essential for successful software development. This transparency fosters a culture of shared responsibility and continuous improvement. When everyone is on the same page, it becomes easier to identify areas for improvement and implement changes effectively. Enhanced customer satisfaction, faster delivery of new features and bug fixes, coupled with improved software quality, leads to greater customer satisfaction and loyalty. Satisfied customers are more likely to continue using the software and recommend it to others. This positive feedback loop can significantly boost a company's reputation and market position. By embracing CI/CD, organizations can optimize their software development processes, making them more efficient and effective. This optimization not only saves time and resources, but also enhances the overall quality of the software. Reduce time to market and deliver high-quality software that meets the evolving needs of their users. In conclusion, CI/CD is a powerful approach that offers numerous benefits, making it an essential practice for modern software development.